hard work is putting a lot of effort, dedication, and time
आपको
into
कुछ अचीव करना है तो
into a work.
डेडिकेट करो ना,
Let
उस पे
me complete.
डेडिकेट हो ना.
Dude, let me complete. Why are you just coming in between? Let a person, dude, let me speak. You are also.
Today we are back with another fabulous topic for debate, that is hard work versus smart work. This side says hard work is better and this side says smart work is better than hard work. So let's start.
Don't just do the thing, do the right thing. That's what working smart is all about. It is about focusing on the real thing. Good morning, all of you. Today, our topic is hard work or a smart work, and we all are in a smart work. There are no shortcuts to success. There are no shortcuts to success. Every great achievement in history is built on the foundation of sweat, efforts, and dedication. Hard work is not a choice. Hard work is not a choice, is the only road to real success. A very good morning, respective sir and my dear friends. It's a privilege to be here today. So, today our debate topic is hard work or smart work. So, we are in the favor of hard work. There are many students who prepare for their exams for a whole year. But if you don't prepare for like a whole year, you might fail in exam or you might get a low marks. But if you prepare for a whole year, might you get a deep study and your topics will clear and you will get the amazing marks in your exams. For example, Thomas Edison failed many times while inventing the light bulb, but his hard work made him successful.
Well, as you said, that while we are studying, we need to focus. We need to do a kind of hard work. But I feel so that smart work is much more beneficial in these kind of things because you're preparing for an exam and everyone is, doing hard work. They are preparing for a whole year. You have such a tough competition if we talk about JEE or, NEET. At that time, you need to think smart. How can you be different from others? You can't just be like, oh, I need to just study. Everyone is doing that. People are taking 6 years, 7 years, 8 years to crack that exam. That doesn't mean they are not doing hard work. They are doing hard work, but they are not doing hard work in a smart way. They are just, cramping up the books. That's not how you do the work. That's not how you do the task. How you do the task, how you become different from others is that how you perform smart work. As if you said that, yeah, Thomas Alva Edison, he did those things. He failed many times, but I believe people like him born only one. We are seeing that people are getting burnout from these kind of things. They are doing hard work. Many people, people who are pursuing JEE, NEET, they are, committing suicide because they are doing hard work. It's not like they are not doing hard work. They are doing hard work. They are not achieving their goals, and they have put so much effort on those things. They are putting so much dedication, work, time in those things, and still they are not achieving it. And they are having that burnout, stress. There are many type of people that are having heart issues because they are doing so much hard work and they are not achieving that goals. So that doesn't mean that you need to do hard work. You need to work smartly. That's how you do the things.
And as she said that, for example, the people are giving JEE NEET exams are failing many times because they are like dropping. They are taking drop years and studying for hours and hours, and they are failing. But the people who are freshers, like for example, they just completed 12th and giving their JEE NEET exam, they are having 99 percentile and like 90 more than 90 percentile in JEE exams. Why? Because they are working strategically. They are doing smart work, not hard work. As you said that by studying more and doing hard work, you can be failed, but after some time you will be passed. As you said that by studying. For example, I give you example of two students. One student is studying like 6 hours in a day, and he studied whole year. But a student who studied 3 to 4 hours, like before 1 month his examination. The student who studied more, like for example 6 hours, he will get more marks, but not, he failed. But the student who studied 1 month before exams, 2-3 hours, he passed. Why? With greater marks. Why? Because he worked strategically. He worked smart work. He did smart work, not hard work.
Well, I would also like to add to his point. As he said, you know, there are two students who are performing really hard. One is doing hard work, one is doing smart work. In that case, in that scenario, there are many times people lose motivation. When you are doing kind of smart work and you are seeing the effects, you will be more motivated rather than if you are performing, you know, hard work and you are not able to achieve it, because there are very low percent of time that you are going to get passed or you are going to get, you know, into JEE or JEE mains or you know, NEET in one attempt. It's a really rare case. Okay, and that time, at that point of time, you lack motivations because you have done so much hard work. And because we are human, we always think that we are doing so much hard work but we are not able to achieve it, and because of that you lack motivation from time to time to time to time, and later you just fail, you just drop the idea of it.
Okay, you guys are talking about a student. Okay, I got your point, I slightly agree with you, but okay, for example, you give any exam, okay, and if your basic is not clear, you don't do hard work in study, your basic is not clear and you giving any exam, and you thought only because of strategy and some plans you crack the exam. How it could be possible? You don't do hard work. You at first you have to be clear your basic na, to be work smart. So at first smart work, then smart work, at first hard work, and then do smart work.
I slightly agree with your point. But as you said that if your concepts are not clear, basic foundation concepts are not clear, you can't pass exam. For that, you can do, like for example, for doing clearing your concepts of basic foundation, you are doing hard work. At that time, you can do smart work as like at that time you are like rushing that I need this formulas and that all. That time you can strategize, so make your mind that take your intelligence of mind, and you will be able to clear your concepts.
I'm sorry, but hard work is not about, you know, at first just कि hard work का मतलब क्या होता है? Okay, I wanna tell you. Hard work means कि consistency. You have to consistent. You have to regular basic practice. That is the hard work.
Well,
Hard work beats talent, but talent does not beats hard work.
Yeah. So I give you example. Okay, like we all know Virat Kohli. He's a sport person. Okay. So if he's a very great cricketer. Okay. So मतलब कि उसके पास obviously बहुत अच्छे एकदम better plan होंगे, better strategy होगी. But I think the strategies are meaningless until he don't do the hard work. He have to practice daily the strategy. Then he got succeed.
प्रैक्टिस हु मेक्स अ मैन मोर परफेक्ट. स्मार्टनेस जो आती है वो हार्ड वर्क के थ्रू आती है. अगर आप किसी भी काम को स्मार्टनेस करना चाहते हो तो आपको पहले हार्ड वर्क करना, तभी आप उस चीज़ को सीख पाओगे. आपके पास स्किल आएंगे, आपको नई नई चीज़ें आएंगी, पेशेंस होना चाहिए, आपकी परजर्वेंस होनी चाहिए, आपके पास कंसिस्टेंस होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे सचिन तेंदुलकर 15 के एज में वो क्रिकेट में आ गया था, आराम से उसका सारी कुछ नॉलेज एक्सपीरियंस सब कुछ है, बट वहीं उसका जो सन है अर्जुन तेंदुलकर आज भी इंडियन टीम में नहीं आ पा रहा है इतने मैचेस खेलने के बाद. क्यों? क्योंकि वो हार्ड वर्क कंसिस्टेंसी चाहिए, तभी आप खेल सकते हो. अगर आपके पास प्रैक्टिस होगी तभी आप उस चीज़ों कर. स्मार्टनेस नहीं है, जब तक आप हार्ड वर्क नहीं करोगे तब तक नहीं हो पाएगा आपसे. तो स्मार्टनेस तभी आएगी जब आप हार्ड वर्क करोगे. हार्ड वर्क के थ्रू ही स्मार्टनेस आती है.
Hello, my name is Bhaskar Rawat, and my definition to describe smart work. Smart work, not a single word. Smart work like a H2O, mixing a H plus O2 is equal to H2O. This called a smart work. Smart work word made by two words: hard work plus patience. Patience plus a passion. Hard work plus पैशन इज इक्वल टू स्मार्ट वर्क. अगर आप में पैशन नहीं होगा उसको काम को करने का, तो आप उसे स्मार्ट नहीं कर सकते हो. तो मेरे डेफिनेशन टू माय अकॉर्डिंग ऑफ स्मार्ट वर्क, हार्ड वर्क प्लस पैशन इज इक्वल टू स्मार्ट वर्क. और माय अकॉर्डिंग टू हार्ड वर्क प्लस डिप्रेशन, सोशल नीड्स प्लस कंडीशन इज इक्वल टू हार्ड वर्क. हार्ड वर्क करोगे और हमेशा ही हार्ड वर्क करते रह जाओगे. इसका एग्जाम्पल है, इफ यू पैशनेट फॉर द वर्क यू विल डेफिनेटली फाइंड अ वे ऑफ बीइंग स्मार्ट. जस्ट अ ट्रॉली बैग. आपने ट्रॉली बैग देखा होगा. तो जस्ट ट्रॉली, जिसने उसको इन्वेंट किया था, ही जस्ट बिकॉज ही पैशनेट फॉर देयर वर्क. तो उसने, जब हम बैग लेके चलते हैं, अगर वो ट्रॉली बैग हो तो हम इजी पड़ेगा ना. सो दैट्स काइंड ऑफ स्मार्ट वर्क. हम उसे लाद के नहीं आ सकते हैं. ट्रॉली बैग इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स नाउ डेज. अगर ट्रॉली बैग है तो हम पिट्ठू बैग नहीं ले जाएंगे, हम उसे घसीट के ले जाएंगे. तो दिस का माय डेफिनेशन ऑफ वर्क प्लस पैशन इज इक्वल टू स्मार्ट वर्क. अब कोई भी काम जोड़ लो उसमें पैशन आएगा ही. अगर आप करें, कोई जेई का टॉपर है, वो उसके प्रति पैशनेट था। अभी एक मैडम ने कहा कि अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन 1000 टाइम वो फेल द इन्वेंशन ऑफ बल्ब। तो क्या वो अपने काम से प्यार नहीं करता था? उसको मजा आता था। अगर आप उसकी बायोग्राफी पढ़ोगे तो उसको वो फेल होने में मजा आता था। वो कहता था चलो मैं इस काम को अब इस तरीके नहीं करूंगा, इस तरीके से करूंगा, बिकॉज हार्ड वर्क प्लस पैशन इज इक्वल टू स्मार्ट वर्क। क्या बल्ब स्मार्ट नहीं है ना? तो इसी तरीके से वो अपने काम से प्यार करता है। ही पैशनेट फॉर देयर वर्क। दैट्स माय पॉइंट।
But that is like Albert Einstein, you have said he also do hard work, through which he does smart work. But when we do hard work, then only we can get success. And the farmer do hard work, through which he got the production of crops up less. But
farmer, that's why he commits suicide.
no, when he do hard work, then only he get a good crops. When do farmer do hard work, then only he got a good crops, through which he can become a successful person. And the Cristiano Ronaldo, who plays the football, when he do the hard work, then only he can become a top person of his life.
I want to contradict your point. They are once in a thousands, like Cristiano Ronaldo, and as you said that farmers do hard work. Nowadays there are many more tractors and many machines doing farming. And like plugging and that all tractors and like many machines they had came. So now they are also doing smart work. They are easily sitting and earning money.
But you use the chemicals, through which the crops are not going good.
It's about hard work and smart work, not about fertilizers and manure. So basically, if you did not use chemicals, so they can't earn. They can't earn their like in Hindi we said rosy roti. They can't earn their rosy roti. What about that?
And we do hard work that too also that they.
But when you do hard work, they earn less and they have to do more work. But when you do smart work, you have to do less work and earn money more.
When we do hard work, through which they can go get good crops. And when we use fertilizers, through which the soil can be bad.
Well, you are saying that yeah, you're doing hard work while you're cultivating and stuff, but agriculture farming is, traditional farming is what we call hard work. Right now we are using chemicals, fertilizers, and about tractors and stuff. That comes under smart work because you're using certain tools. You're not doing that on your own. You're using certain tools. That's why that is called smart work. And if we talk about traditional farming, no one is doing traditional farming nowadays because people are more innovative. They are selling those crops, so they can do traditional farming on acres of land. They need to be smart. They need to work smart. And as you said that you need to like cricketers like Sachin Tendulkar, they are working hard. They are once in a million. Like Shashank said, Rudra said that they are once in a million. You can't find them again and again. There are many aspiring teens that are that want to be at that level, but they are not able to. What do you think? They are not able to do hard work. They are doing hard work. It's just that luck factor also come. They are also doing smart work now. It's because their agencies are pushing. It's not like they are not doing hard work. There are many teens that are doing hard work. They want to be at that level, but they are not reaching that level. And because of that, they are getting depressed. Because of that, they are having stress issues. Because of that, they have diseases. They have problems. They have mental issues. It's not that they are not doing hard work. They are doing hard work. They are not just doing hard work in a smart way. And you can do hard work and hard work and hard work. People are, because of hard work, there are employees that are working for 8, 20, 9 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours continuously. Because of that, they have a really bad issue with others, interact with others, have bad relationship because you're not able to give time to your children, family, friends. And because of that, you have problems in your relationship. You can't deny hard work is important, but you need to work smartly because in this world, everyone is doing hard work. Everyone is like that cow that is, just working, but they are not able to produce that much. If you are talking about agriculture, if you use, bulls and stuff, they are just, working, but can they give product like how tractor do? No, they can't because you need to work smartly. In this world, you can't just be like, oh, you need to do hard work and you're going to reach that level like, Einstein and Sachin Tendulkar. You can't do that in this world because there are ample number of people who are doing hard work, who are just failing it and just committing suicide. Even if you say not everyone is doing suicide, but that doesn't count them. They are also live. They are also living being. That doesn't mean you can just exclude them because there are not ample number of people that are doing suicide. And we have stress issues. We are constantly thinking about how, overthinking. Overthinking is really normal in our generation. because they are thinking, oh, am I not good enough? Am I not working hard? It's not like that. It's just that you're not working smart.
Okay, I want to contradict your point. You said that nowadays stress and all the issues are very common. This is because of smart work. This is because of smart work. Okay, one person is inspired by Sachin Tendulkar. He saw only his his popularity. Oh, like he is a very popular, so I have to be popular. He don't see behind, मतलब उसके पीछे की वो hard work को नहीं देख रहा है. He is inspired by only his popularity. He don't see his hard work. And you said that many farmers are suiciding nowadays. This is not only because of they have not enough tools and lot of the excuses. This is because कि जैसे like मौसम कभी भी कुछ भी हो जाता है तो उनकी जो crop वगैरह होती है सारी waste हो जाती है. This is the reason that many farmers are suiciding. And you said that nowadays we have many tools and at all and very chemical fertilizer. So this is a very bad impact of health. We have to hard work. मतलब कि हमें सोचना नहीं चाहिए hard work करने से पहले. I'm coming from a village area, so in my village area everyone doing hard work and they have like a old tradition like कि जैसे खाद वाद normal proper like कि जैसे गाय वाय normal जैसे होते हैं ना उनकी उससे होता है वो, and the food they produce is a very good quality. So I want to say that hard work gave us a very quality.
I contradict your point. In hard work there is taking more time, but in smart work उसी काम को करने के लिए आपको कम टाइम लगेगा उसी काम को करने में. अगर आप हार्ड वर्क करते हैं आपको इतना ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा कि आप और दूसरा बंदा उसी काम को करने में इतना जल्दी कर देगा. स्मार्ट वर्क.
Any example?
Yes. ओल्ड ट्रेडिशन कह रहे हैं आप, जो हल बैल चलाते हैं उसमें क्या है, उसमें कंटिन्यूअसली एकड़ की जमीन में एक बंदा हल चला रहा है, लेकिन उसी तरह से मॉडर्न तरीके से ट्रैक्टर से ही उसी काम को जल्दी हो सकता है, टाइम बच सकता है. लेकिन टाइम इतना प्रीशियस है ना, आप कुछ भी काम कर सकते हैं.
मैं मतलब पॉइंट बोला था, आपने बोला ना मतलब ट्रैक्टर से मतलब उनकी मतलब जो उनका फिजिकल हेल्थ मतलब सही हो जाएगी. मतलब जो बैल चला रहे हैं तो मतलब उनकी मतलब उनकी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी सही होगी ना. फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. और आपका पॉइंट था मतलब ट्रैक्टर मतलब सबको मिल गई क्या? ट्रैक्टर सबको नहीं मिला.
I contradict your point. Government is giving on loan.
Let me complete. So ना तो क्या बोलते हैं मतलब सबको ट्रैक्टर मिलेगा क्या? सबको ट्रैक्टर नहीं मिले अभी यहाँ पर. सबको ट्रैक्टर नहीं मिले इंडिया में. सबको ट्रैक्टर नहीं मतलब क्यों गवर्नमेंट मतलब स्कीम दे रही, ट्रैक्टर क्यों दे रही है, पार्टी क्यों ट्रैक्टर क्यों दे रही है, वो भी तो पॉइंट है. मतलब अभी लोग मतलब बैल चला रहे हैं, अभी भी घर में कर रहे हैं अभी.
Tell me one thing that if a person doing like आप जैसे कह रहे हो बैल चला रहे हैं, tell me one thing, how it takes, like what time it takes to like agriculture, like your crops when they are harvested, like it's like 1 to 2 months or 3 months or more than that. But if you are doing smart work, you are using tractors and that all, you are taking only half the month. And also the government has to do this because of the people living in the country. They have to give the grains or crops to the people to eat.
तो क्या बोलते हैं कि जो मतलब जो ट्रेडिशनल है, जिसमें जो खाद पैदा करते हैं तो उससे मतलब उससे ओरिजिनल होता है और उससे क्रॉप अच्छी होती है. और जो मतलब जो केमिकल होता है उससे मतलब इतनी सारी रिपोर्ट आई है, सर्वे इतने सारे हुए हैं कि बीमारी हो रही है.
सारी चीजें हमें टाइम से पहले मिल जाती हैं, बट व्हाट अबाउट द क्वालिटी? वो क्वालिटी नहीं है ना उसमें जो कि आप बात कर रहे हो कि टाइम से पहले मिल गया, दैट्स ओके, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, बट व्हाट अबाउट द क्वालिटी?
सो जो मैंने अभी टॉपिक बोला कि स्मार्ट वर्क इज नॉट ए सिंगल वर्ड, इज मिक्स बाय हार्ड वर्क प्लस पैशन. तो आप मेरे मतलब समझना, आप भी नहीं समझ रहे हो, ये भी नहीं समझ रहे हैं स्मार्ट वर्क को रिलेटेड. जहाँ मतलब जस्ट लाइक क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो, जस्ट लाइक विराट कोहली, ही इज अ पैशनेट फॉर देयर वर्क. अगर आप अपने वर्क के साथ पैशनेट हैं तो आप स्मार्ट ही कुछ करेंगे. समझ रहे हो? जैसे ये बोल रहे हैं कि कोई एक होता है क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो या मेसी एक होता है. अगर आप उनके जैसा पैशनेट हैं अपने वर्क के साथ तो आप भी मेसी बन सकते हैं. आप समझ रहे हैं? बहुत लोग स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हैं जस्ट लाइक अ फैमिली प्रेशर, तो वो अगर हार्ड वर्क करेंगे तो उनका वहां तक नहीं जा पाएगा क्योंकि वो पैशनेट नहीं है. वो रात के 12 बजे तक प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. हम क्या करते हैं, 2 घंटे प्रैक्टिस किया, आज हमारा हो गया. वो पैशनेट थे. जस्ट लाइक तुमने उसकी वो देखी होगी, धोनी की मूवी देखी होगी, वो शॉट के लिए उसको समोसा खिलाता है बिकॉज ये पैशनेट फॉर देयर वर्क. तो आप इसको जोड़ो उसके साथ, कोई भी वर्क ले लो, अगर हार्ड वर्क मतलब पैशनेट है उसके खिलाफ तो स्मार्ट ही निकल के आएगा. और मैं आपको एग्जांपल देना चाहता हूँ. व्हेन आई वाचिंग ई स्पोर्ट प्लेयर जोनाथन, आपने नाम सुना भी नहीं होगा बट लाइक पबजी का खेलता है जोनाथन. व्हेन आई वाज watching his streaming and I watch his chat, super chat, like a 3000 4000 पैसे लोग उसे दे रहे हैं और 1% उससे करता है चैलेंज कि इफ यू किल 1% आई विल गिव यू 1000 एंड इफ यू फिनिश द गेम इट विल बी डबल। तो 20 किल करता है 20,000 हुआ, उसका डबल करता है 40,000 हुआ। ओनली 15 मिनट्स, 15 मिनट में वो 15,000 रुपये कमा लेता है। और उसकी सुपर चैट और भी चल रही है, उसने 6 घंटे की स्ट्रीमिंग की, लगाओ कितना पैसा कमाया। और इसके अदर हैंड देखो, एक रिक्शा वाला जिसने ढंग से पैंट नहीं पहनी है, उसके बदन पे कपड़ा नहीं है, वो 12 घंटे की मजदूरी करता है सिर्फ उस 500 रुपये के लिए। और उसके पीछे जो लोग बैठे रहते हैं, जो आज बोलेंगे कि मुझे वी-मार्ट छोड़ दो और मुझे 3,000 की शॉपिंग करनी है। अगर रिक्शा वाला 15 रुपये ज़्यादा मांग ले तो उस पर उसकी मौत कर लेंगे वहाँ पे। हार्डवर्क, वो कितना हार्डवर्क करता है। मैं मानता हूँ कि इस दुनिया का सबसे हार्डवर्किंग इंसान एक रिक्शा वाला है। इतनी तपती धूप में भी चल जा कॉलेज, वो खड़ा रहेगा, मैडम छोड़ दो, मैडम छोड़ दो। तो वो हार्डवर्क कर रहा है, लेकिन कोई वैलिड पॉइंट ही नहीं है। इसलिए मैंने पहले उसकी एक क्वेश्चन दिया हार्डवर्क की, कि हार्डवर्क प्लस डिप्रेशन भी उसके पास, प्लस सोशल नीड भी है, फैमिली को सपोर्ट करना है। इस कंडीशन ही ऐसी है कि वो हार्डवर्क कर सकता है और बदले में उसे हार्डवर्क ही मिलेगा और मर भी जाएगा हार्डवर्क में। So that's my point.
Okay, so I want to speak that कि you are saying about depression and death और वो देखो ये पर्टिकुलर इंसान के ऊपर है। हार्डवर्क वाले भी मरते हैं, स्मार्ट वर्क वाले भी मरते हैं, पर्टिकुलर हार्डवर्क वाले नहीं मरते। एंड सेकंड चीज, जो स्मार्ट वर्क है वो एक शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए होता है, हार्ड वर्क एक लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए होता है। रातों रात सक्सेस एक टाइम तक ही अच्छी लगती है, बट हार्ड वर्क के साथ लॉन्ग टर्म सक्सेस ही अच्छी लगती है। पीट लेट अस स्पीक प्लीज। सो इन एग्जांपल प्लीज
बोल मना करो।
You said na that a rickshaw wala do a hard work. Okay. So he's financially not strong. So उसको वही करना पड़ेगा. Exactly. उसको वही करना पड़ेगा. So he has no other choice. And one more example, if a runner do a daily practice, like he do a daily running, then this is a hard work. He, in that case, he doesn't do a smart work. Sorry. Yeah. And that if he do a daily practice, daily do a running, so he will obviously achieve his goal. But after if he think that now अब मैं क्या करता हूँ कि स्मार्ट वर्क कर देता हूँ, ठीक है, स्मार्ट वर्क करता हूँ क्योंकि हार्ड वर्क से क्या हो रहा है कि टाइम बहुत लग रहा है एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स। बट इफ ही डू अ स्मार्ट वर्क, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, ही विल ये होगा कि उसको बाद में वो अचीवमेंट नहीं मिलेगी। ही डोंट अचीव दैट गोल he want to achieve that. And okay, and you give an example of a PUBG player Jonathan. Okay, so you see his super chat. Okay, that's okay, but you also see his hard work ना, उसने PUBG खेला, okay, but उसके पीछे भी तो उसका hard work है, उसकी dedication है, उसकी consistency है।
स्मार्ट वर्क सिंगल वर्क नहीं है।
तो what is
आप मेरी बात नहीं समझ रहे हो।
no bro, okay, ठीक है, I slightly agree with you.
Like two words, hard work plus passionate। अगर आप कह रहे कोई रनर दिन भर दौड़ रहा है फैमिली प्रेशर में, अगर वो पैशनेट नहीं है तो हुसैन बोल्ट नहीं बन पाएगा। हुसैन बोल्ट इज द पैशनेट फॉर देयर वर्क। अगर आप पैशनेट नहीं हो तो स्मार्ट होगा ही नहीं।
Usain Bolt is a hard working ना,
Yes,
so he hard work, but yeah, he's fascinated.
but rickshaw wala is also hard working।
All right, got your point.
Yeah.
Got your point. So, guys, it is going like a great debate, and I want you guys to give final argument on this. So, who would like to start? Yeah.
So I have an example. I want.
Go on.
Okay. At final, I want to give you an example. Okay. We all know Ambani. Okay. And we all know Jio SIM. Okay. Nowadays we saw like कि Ambani ने Jio की SIM launch की, popular. Okay. Like, but reality is that bro, there was a time कि in the starting ना he sell his Jio SIM in a free of cost, like कि मेरी SIM ले लो like ऐसे, and after some time let me complete first. एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम कि 50 रुपीज या 100 रुपीज ओके इन इस वाली कॉस्ट में उसने जो है अपनी सिम को वो किया। बट नाउ डेज उसकी सिम जो है नॉर्मल जो सिम्स होती हैं उसमें लॉन्च होती है, एंड वी ऑल आर सीइंग, मतलब कि उसके जो भी है मतलब हम देख रहे हैं ना उसका। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड अ हार्ड वर्क। अगर वो स्मार्ट वर्क करना चाहता तो ही इज मतलब वन ऑफ द मोस्ट रिचेस्ट पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड। ओके, तो वो चाहता तो जो बड़े बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज हैं उनसे प्रमोट करवा सकता था अपनी सिम इफ यू वांट टू।
I slightly agree, but at the starting he sold his SIMs in free because he did a smart work. Why? Tell me why. Because when he sold his SIMs in free, the people are taking. They liked it. They love the signal problem and that all. Like in Airtel, there are very signal problems and that all. But in Jio, they are not. And nowadays, he has built an empire of his own. Like everywhere, you will get Jio towers and that all. For example, if you go to mountains, let me complete first. Like you go to mountains, so there also you will get Jio towers, but not Airtel and that all. Why? Because he did a smart work. Because first of all, he saw.
Hard work is strategy, na bro.
So
What do
then
you
why?
mean?
So by strategy.
Let me speak, okay? What do you
by
mean?
strategy only
What
you
do
will
mean?
get the smart
Hard
work.
work
ना?
is like कि मतलब गधों की तरह कुछ भी करते रहो. Hard work is also about a strategy, bro. Hard work में भी strategy होती है, consistency होती है, mind होता है उसमें use. ऐसा थोड़ा कि कभी भी कुछ भी कर दे.
Okay, fine.
Depend on your mindset, ना.
Well, calm down. First of all, why do you think that selling free of cost, SIM, do you think that it consists of hard work?
उसका
Why do,
mindset है वो. उसका mindset है वो.
Mindset is like
He use his
smart
mindset.
work, ना?
He use his planning.
Because he passionate for their business. मैं वही तो क्वेश्चन पूरी कर रहा हूँ.
And it take very long time ना. You said that कि जो हमारे स्मार्ट वर्क होता है टाइम को बचाता है. But it took a very long time ना. उतना सारा टाइम लिया.
dude,
So
first
it's
of
all
all,
about hard work, his strategy, his plan.
okay,
Yeah.
sorry,
Yeah.
Khatam?
Yeah.
Can I speak?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, fine. I am saying that, yeah, you are saying, but he has got that generational wealth. He has not earned that wealth. He has got that generational wealth. If you are talking about selling a SIM for free or, doing the prices on low, that's because he need to be relatable to the people. If you are saying a celebrity, suppose I am saying Rudra, to promote it, people will not be relatable to that because celebrity is already rich. Why would they think that, okay, I need to achieve like celebrity? No, we need to think about our balance too. So he want to be relatable to the people. That's why he created that strategy, not because he's doing hard work. What do you think? He doesn't have money to spend all those, he's giving those SIM cards for free. What do you think? He's getting hard work or he's, having a debt? I don't think so. He's so much rich. He can just, feed whole country and he will still be rich. So it's not like he's doing hard work. He's doing smart work. Strategy is not by, doing hard work. Hard work we are talking about constantly doing work, putting a lot of time, effort into it. At that time, he did something, strategize those things. It's not about passion. It's about strategy. How you think about it. Passion. People are also doing hard work in passion, I think so. But if you say about, he created those strategy. At that time, he did the smart work because no SIM company was doing like that. He know what he need to do. He know how to achieve those things. He know how to grab the audience because we are all relatable. Can you not say that? People are more intrigued. Indian people are more intrigued toward buying cheap things rather than expensive things. So why would he, create the SIM like other market did? Why would he create the same price at them? Because people are already having idea. Airtel SIM. Why would they buy your brand? Because you need to create a strategy like that. You need to do those things. You need to create you need to intrigue the audience that yes, because our product is like that, you need to accept those products. That's why he achieved those strategies. That's why he did the smart work. It doesn't come under hard work.
I'm sorry, but I think you don't understand the meaning of the hard work. You said only in the smart work we use strategy plans. That's it. And you want to say that hard work people are like कि गधे की तरह कुछ भी करते रहो. They have also strategy plans, yaar. Yeah, how you can say that he plans lot of things. So it's totally about his hard work. It's about about you said no. It's totally about his smart work. It's also about his hard work, yaar.
Okay, so tell me one thing. Like for example, a person works at JBL. Okay, and then he's doing this hard work at JBL company. Then he just went to his manager and said, "Sir, कल मिलते हैं business में." उनके मैनेजर बोलते हैं कि इतना आसान नहीं होता, तो बोलते हैं मिलते हैं फिर मैदान में. And second day, the whole sale of JBL went down and the new company went upside that named Boat. Why? Because he did a strategy. He has a smart work. He didn't do hard work.
He's a strategy. He is a
So if he has mindset that he has the strategy.
Smart work in everywhere.
Because if you strategize that, so it is a smart work.
I agree, na. I agree with you.
Hard work.
Smart work is also right, na. But the basic is a hard work, na. If you are like कि हम hard work नहीं करेंगे and smartly कुछ भी कर लेंगे.
Well, there are many brands. There are many, ample number of brands that are doing hard work. They are just, in the market. They just know that, yeah, they are just doing. They are not like, you need to have those tricks now. That's what smart work is. You need to have tricks. You need to find a clever way to reach to the audience. That's what smart work is. That's what, you need to reach the audience with a smart or clever way. It's not hard work. It's about, you need to have an idea how you will how you will get attached to your audience. There are ample number of products in the market. They are doing hard work. It's not like they are not doing hard work. They are promoting their product. They are doing everything like other brands, but they are not reaching that level. I'm not saying they have not reached that they have not done that because of hard work. They have, but they have done those hard work with smart way. If they would have done that same thing with like other companies, they would have just let their company be, that would have not worked. You have to find a smart way.
I agree with your point.
But I want to, please let me speak, please. But I want to say that कि स्मार्ट वर्क पहुंचने तक भी आपको पहले हार्ड वर्क ही करना पड़ेगा, तभी आप स्मार्ट वर्क पहुंचोगे. आप पहले ही स्मार्ट वर्क में नहीं पहुंचोगे ब्रो. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस टॉपिक.
आप स्मार्ट वर्क का मतलब ही नहीं समझे. आप स्मार्ट वर्क को क्या कह रहे हैं, काम
आप
छोड़
हार्ड
के.
वर्क का मतलब नहीं समझे. आप स्मार्ट वर्क ही बोलने में हो bro.
एक बंदा एक चैप्टर को पढ़ने के लिए 18 घंटे लगा रहा है, मतलब 18 घंटे लगाना है समझने के लिए, लेकिन दूसरा ही बंदा उसको स्मार्ट तरीके से रेस्ट लेके और पानी पी के, मतलब स्ट्रेटेजी, हाँ, स्ट्रेटेजी लगा के स्मार्ट करके उसी चैप्टर को 6 घंटे में कर रहा है.
आपको सुनो, इफ यू
अरे हार्ड वर्क में क्या होता है, हार्ड वर्क में क्या होता है, टाइम. मेरे को बोलने दो.
ओके बोलो.
हार्ड वर्क में क्या होता है, हार्ड वर्क में टाइम ज्यादा लगता है, लेकिन स्मार्ट वर्क में उसको थिंकिंग करके स्ट्रेटेजी बना के उसको कम टाइम में ज्यादा इफेक्टिव करते हैं.
ओके, लेट मी स्पीक कि आपको खाली अगर नंबर चाहिए तो यू डू स्मार्ट वर्क ब्रो, बट यू नीड अगर नॉलेज प्लस नंबर यू डू हार्ड वर्क ब्रो प्लीज.
स्मार्ट वर्क में क्या होता है, एक्सपीरियंस भी बढ़ता है. आप आउटडोर जाके ना उसको अप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं फिजिकली.
हार्ड वर्क वाला नहीं कर सकता क्या ये स्मार्ट वर्क? Yes.
Well, hard work is putting a lot of effort, dedication, and time
आपको
into
कुछ अचीव करना है तो
into a work.
डेडिकेट करो ना.
Let me complete.
डेडिकेट हो ना.
Dude, let me complete. Why are you just coming in between? Let a person. Dude, let me speak. You are also coming. You are also speaking na in between only. You are also speaking. So obviously we are in the favor of the topic. We will speak about that. Now, what are you saying, dude?
So same thing goes with us na. So why you are saying that hard work is bad?
In debate, you don't understand other. You contradict other. But you are always speaking in between. I don't know why. Bhai, let the person speak na.
So just speak na.
From art.
You are talking in between. ठीक है? You are talking in
Just
between.
make your louder. So just make your voice louder.
Okay, now quickly give the final statement and wind it up. It's a very heated argument. Come on.
You can give.
Hard work is outdated. Hard work is outdated. Hard work people will keep chanting hard work, hard work. It's like you are running in a circle. Congratulations, you are a hamster running in a wheel. If you work hard, you will get success. But if you work smartly, you will get success with many more things. That's all. Thank you.
Hard work is the key to success. Hard work is the key to success, while smart work may improve efficiency. Nothing can replace effort, dedication, perseverance, consistency. To truly succeed, one must be ready to put in the hard work needed to achieve their dreams.
Wonderful. So I think it was a wonderful debate and a very heated and explosive one. Now, guys, I would also like to hear from our audience and viewers. What do they think? What is better, hard work or smart work? Do let us know in the comment. Thank you, everyone.